Hello friends, welcome to Maths Epic Tube. Today we will discuss the topic elementary function. I am Vivek. Now let's start the topic elementary function. As we know, in the elementary function we consider we consider some simple transformation likes transformation likes translation, rotation, magnification, and last is inversion, and etc. And consider the mapping as a transformation in just one plane. One plane means z plane or omega plane. Now these elementary transformations are given below and explained by some simple examples. So what is elementary function? Elementary function is the function in which we read about translation, rotation, magnification, inversion in the z plane or omega plane, or in one or in between one plane. So firstly we read about translation. So the topic is translation. Now what is the translation? uh, transformation of the type omega equal to z plus alpha, where alpha belongs to C, is called a translation. So we see that the translation is a transformation of the type omega equal to z plus alpha, where alpha belongs to C. This is called the translation. Now we take an example on translation. Find the region of the omega plane in which the rectangular region of z plane bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is mapped under the transformation omega equal to z plus 2 minus iota. So first we write given transformation. We have given transformation omega equal to z plus 2 minus iota. Now assume that this is equation first. Then we are to find out region of first in omega plane. In omega plane, when z plane mapped into the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. We know that z equal to x plus iy and omega equal to u plus iv. So put this value in equation first. V equation becomes u plus iv equal to x plus iy plus 2 minus I. Now arrange this. So x plus 2 plus iota y minus 1. Now we equating real and imaginary part separately. So we write on equating real and imaginary parts and get what we get. U equal to x plus 2 and v equal to y minus 1. In question it is given that this the lines x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2 mapped into the omega plane. So if we put on this equation x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, so we get the value of u and b is u equal to x0 to x0, then u equal to 2, y0, then v equal to minus 1. Now let we have given that x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2, so the value of u becomes 1 plus 2 3 and v equal to 2 minus 1 1. Now plot a plot a graph for it, then we have the value u and v. So we put in the graph the value of u and v. Firstly, this is xy, so this is z plane, this is uv, so it is omega plane. Now first we have given that u equal to 2 and v equal to minus 1, so we plot a diagram. 1 is here and 2 is here, so y equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, which is given in the question. This is the rectangle. Now in omega plane the value is here. Here is v equal to 1, u equal to 2, u equal to 3 and v equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. Now thank you for watching this video. In other section we see what is the rotation, magnification and inversion. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.